Hello children, I'm your social ma'am speaking. Today I come up an interesting topic. Yes, before we can have a quick recap. What is our first topic? What is our first topic children? Types of families. What is our first topic? Types of families. How many types of families are there? 3 types of families. How many types of families are there? 3 types of families. What are they? Nuclear family, joint family, single parent family. Yes, what are they? Nuclear family, joint family, single parent family. What do you mean by nuclear family? Nuclear family consists of a father, mother and children or child. Yes, for example of Roshan's family. Joint family consists of grandparents, parents, uncles, aunts and cousins. Yes, they all living together in the same house. That is called joint family. For example of Tanya's family. Yes, Tanya lives in joint family. Single parent family. Single parent family consists of one parent, either the father or the mother, and children or child. Yes, I hope you children, everyone understood about types of families. Our today topic is families with working parents. Yes, what is our today topic? Families with working parents. Before I start this topic, I have a question. Yes, I have a question children. Why do parents work? Why do parents work? To earn money through they can fulfill their needs. They can fulfill their family needs. Yes. Parents work hard to take care of their children. They not only manage a lot of household tasks but also work outside the house to earn a living and provide for the family. This is important to meet the family's need. Yes, parents work hard to take care of their children, to take care of their family. Working parents, they work inside the home and outside the house. Yes, the both places, the working parents working for you, for their family needs. So this is important to meet the family's needs. These needs could include a nice home, good food, sending children to a good school, a car, motorcycle, or even visiting places and doing fun activities. Yes, these needs includes everything. Your parents work hard for their family to fulfill the family's needs. The needs could include nice home, good food, sending children to the good school, a car, motorcycle, or even visiting places and doing fun activities. In some families, both parents go to work, while in others, only one parent works. Yes, some families, both parents are working. Father and mother both are working. But some families, only one parent works. Yes. See children, sometimes parents does not spend time with you, but they always thinking about you. So dear children, you also show your affection to your parents. Yes, I hope you everyone understood about your parents' love and affection. You also give you also love and affection to your parents. Yes. See, today we have an activity. We have an activity. Look around. What is our activity? Look around. Yes. What they given here? Nega's mother works. Let us see what happened at Nega's place on a Saturday. Yes, children, one Saturday morning in Nega's house, Nega's mother works. Yes, Nega lives in single parent family. She lives with her mother. Observe the pictures and answer the questions. Here they given one situation. One Saturday morning. One Saturday morning, Nega asked to her mother, who asked Nega, "Mom, it is boring to sit at home on a holiday. Let's go for a movie today." Who asked Nega? What she asked? It is boring to sit at home on a holiday. Let's go for a movie today. Yes. What replied? What Nega's mother replied? Nega, I am so sorry. I have to go to work today. I have an important meeting with my team members. When I return, I have to water the plants too. Yes. What happened? Nega's mother was very busy. She has work in the office and she has a meeting with her team members. Nega, how she Nega feels? Oh no, that is not good news. Who thought like this? Nega. Suddenly, Nega seems an idea. She got an idea. Aha! It seems like Nega has an idea. See the picture. She got an idea. What idea she got? She thought to help her mother. Yes. Nega mother is very busy. She want to take care of inside the house and office. That means outside of the house. So Nega thought to help her mother. Nega shared her idea with her mother. Nega mother is very happy. Wow, thank you Nega. Yes, we can go for a movie now. Looks like everything worked out fine. So what happened? See children, Nega mother is very busy, but Nega wanted to watch a movie. Nega mother is very busy in inside the house and outside the house. So Nega thought to help her mother. Nega mother is very happy because Nega thought to help her mother. See, like you, like Nega, you also help your parents. If you help your parents spend time with you. They can spend more time with you. Yes, I hope you everyone help your parents. Yes, see, related on this activity, here they given few questions. What is the first question? What did Nega want to do on her holiday? What she want to do? Nega wanted to watch a movie. What is the answer? Nega wanted to watch a movie. Yes. What is the next one? How do you think Nega felt about her mother's reply in the first image? How she was felt? How she felt? Sad or disappointed because she asked to her mother go for movie, but her mother was very busy. So first image in Nega, sad or disappointed. What is the third question? How do you think Nega's suggestion helped them? save the time. Yes. See children, if Nega helps her mother means her mother, Nega's mother can complete her work quickly. So save the time. If save the time means Nega's mother spend more time with Nega. Yes. See children, if you help your parents, they can complete their work soon and they can spend more time with you. Yes, Nega's mother had to fulfill her responsibilities both at home and at the office. Like Nega, people in the office also depended on her mother. Yes, Nega's mother is a team leader. So, like Nega, in the office also, some members, those are working in the office, that peoples are dependent on Nega's mother. When Nega offered to help her at home, it saved time. Yes, Nega thought to help her mother. If she is helping means the work will complete soon. Nega then got to spend more time with her mother in the evening. Parents have many responsibilities whether they stay at home or go outside to work. Yes, children, your parents may have many responsibilities whether stay at home parents or go outside to work parents. If you help your parents, they can complete their work soon and they can spend more time with you. I hope everyone will help. Parents who stay at home may get more time to spend with their children, while working parents may not get so much time. Yes, compare than working parent, stay at home parents may get more time to spend with their children. Helping out with household chores and running errands are small tasks that children can do to help their parents, whether they stay at home or go to work. See, my dear children, if your parents maybe stay at home or working parents, you can help small tasks for your parents. Yes, if you help your parents, what will happen? They can complete their work soon, and helping is one of the good habits. I hope everyone help your parents. Okay, now we are going to know some few new words. Are you ready to repeat? Yes. What is the first one? Parents. Parents. Manage. Manage. Earn. Earn. Important. Important. Provide. Provide. Food. Food. Places. Places. Motorcycle. Motorcycle. Spent. Spent. Small. Small. Task. Task. Reply. Reply. Solution. Solution. Simple. Simple. Picture. Picture. Written. Written. Parents. Manage. Earn. Important. provide, food, places, motorcycle, spend, small, task, reply, solution, simple, picture, written. I hope you children, everyone understood and enjoyed the session. Bye bye children.